Hello everyone, I hope that you all are good and you are in best of your health. Guys, today's video will not be a newspaper analysis video as usually it is. Rather, today I had come here to give you a justification or to give you an explanation that why I was absent from YouTube in last 2 weeks, why I was not able to upload any video. Because I believe that due to the fact that we share a kind of a bond, due to the fact that we have created a kind of a family here, I owe such kind of an explanation. Now guys, last few days have not at all been good for me. Rather, you know that the things started to got changed up into the month of April, as around the mid of April I got infected with COVID. And for me, this experience was very horrific. There were the times where I got a feeling that I might not be able to survive it. I had seen the perishability of life during this illness which I got. However, guys, I, by God's grace, by the care which was given by my family and by all everybody's support, I got well. I recovered, and as you know that as soon as I got recovered, I again started to make the videos. Even I made videos for around 14-15 days. But suddenly I got a kind of a realization that what is the purpose of the thing? Okay, the exercise that we are doing for more than 1 year, fine, whether it is reaching to the targeted people, fine, whether all such kind of thing is yielding a kind of a fruit. Because frankly, seeing the level of engagement that is there onto the video, the number of views if we see, it was not very good. So I went into a kind of a stage where I was having self doubt, where I was having a kind of a crisis that whether we should continue this initiative or not. I had many of the kind of views that should I switch to some issue based video, should I come with some other kind of format, should I go into the static subjects, should I take up either the GS paper number 4 or likewise some other kind of subject, whether it will be more fruitful. So, because into that particular introspection, a lot of time was being spent, and I was a day by day, I was feeling more depressed, I was feeling more bad, I was feeling more sad because I was not able to contribute to the community. However, as these things were going on, suddenly I got a realization that the reason I'm not feeling bad, I'm not feeling good, the reason that I am sad is because that I actually, my work defines me. Okay, every day waking up around 4:30 and doing that ritual, okay, it is the definition for our engagement. And if I will give it up away, fine, basically the very existence or the very foundation will be lost. And there I got a kind of an answer that we should not go into unnecessary kind of an introspection that what will be the success, but whether there will be the success or not. Rather, we should enjoy the journey, rather we should enjoy the making of our relationship. And with that note, guys, again we will be resuming with our newspaper analysis. In meanwhile, there might be some kind of breaks which could be there due to some professional engagement that I might have, because you know that I am full-time involved into the UPSC. I'm basically a full-time faculty in one of a premier institution, and also there are the family responsibilities which I had to take care of. So, but the engagement of our onto this newspaper analysis will surely be continued. Thank you all for all your support. Thank you all for all your love that you have shown to me. Thank you so much.